Okay, guys, this is part 3. I need to do a better introduction, but yeah, this is part 3. I recommend you to watch part 1 and 2 before doing this, because this is like a anime saga. Anyways, the game is called Animal Company, by the way, on VR. It's good. You can get on like MetaQuest, and yeah, it's good. Alright. Fiddlesticks. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Monkey! Monkey will go. Nah, dude. Okay, I'm sorry for laughing too much. It's whatever. I'm just trying not to laugh. Okay. Okay. Dude. Oh. Can we skip to the good part? Fiddlesticks. Oh. Can we skip to the good part? Can we skip to the good part? Can we skip to the good part? Can we skip to the good part?
I need to find my little weapon.
Oh, it's him. There's my little fart thing. My fart cushion. Oh crap, that can't be good. I'm so sorry. We keep on dying. You know what? This time, we get a little bit serious. If I can find the... Okay. It's time we get a little bit serious. Monkey, I bought a grenade. We're getting serious now. This
I'm dead, monkey.
is for... Oh my gosh. This is for America. Freedom. They won't give me a freedom of speech. They won't give me anything. My precious grenade. This will determine life. Hey Monkey, what's up? What do you like about what I got? Look what I got, Monkey. We're going. Get your light. We're going in. Who should I blow up?
Hey, buddy.
Who should I blow up? I'm not gonna be able to.
Blow him up, monkey.
No, we're saving this up. Place the grenade down. This is for my safety. Place the grenade down. Monkey, why don't you waste it on him?
Blow him up, please.
Me seeing the booty.
Throw it into his mouth or something.
Me seeing the booty.
Just drop it down him. Drop it. You sold. You actually sold so hard. You sold. Monkey, are you... I said drop it next to him.
Oh, Monkey, that was a waste. I wasted all that money. I'm sorry, guys. I suck. It's the lady. It's the lady. It's the lady.
Hey, he saw some Michael here.
Shut up. Let go. Let go.
Oh, monkey, I think I'm dead.
No. Oh, I'm dead. I died. Monkey. Are you dead? Oh, he dead.
Is it bad that you hear distant laughter?
Monkey? Come back! shakalaka, boom shakalaka, eh eh, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, eh eh, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, eh eh. Monkey, hurry up. Oh, that isn't good. Oh yeah, I'm climbing up. So I don't know if I like that or not. I'm dead. Monkey, help! Oh,
I'm going.
Monkey, hurry up! Oh, Monkey.
I'm not talking on radio anymore.
Monkey, you're going up? Monkey, don't go up.
I have to.
No, you don't.
Our materials count on.
Wait, no. Monkey, you're selling. I hope you know that. You're selling. I'm selling. I'm
Ow.
cooked.
Well, monkeys, you just told me because I had to talk to you. Now I'm dead.
Huh? Monkey, what? Guys, we're playing this later. Oh, thank you for watching. My friend got off. It's okay. Anyways, sorry.